BBAI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Big Bear AI putting in some good numbers, 17% gains. That's just Tuesday's performance. Wednesday is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you and your family. Happy holidays. Let's go. 2025 is your year, but with BBAI, I'm still looking to take things higher. I mean, just for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and even with this, the sad part about BBAI's prediction that I had beforehand, before everything started happening, it was that I was obviously like, this is how it looked like. It's made 304. And then this is how it looks like right now. Sad part about this is that there was just another break-even because the price tapped the break-even zone. And it was just like a fraction of a week. It was a fraction. And that took me out. So now it's still a bullish idea and whatnot, but it's not that I'm positioning myself in this because break-even got hit. More so if the price pulls down a little bit and then gives me the rules, only then I'll take it up. But other than that, I'll keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.